Hello and welcome back to Financial Flagship. My name is Alex and I hope all of you had a great trading week so far. We are pleased to announce that our Discord trading community is now live and you can become a member by registering on our website. By joining our community, you will benefit from a daily market webinar with the latest analysis in the market every day at the New York Open, an in-depth market analysis where we will cover any pair or asset that you request, trading setups and trade management, exclusive trading tips and tutorials, educational materials, live weekly Q&A sessions, and many more. So, if you're interested in joining our community, head over to our website and become a member in no time. Let's start off with EURUSD. In our past analysis, we anticipated that the price will break the low again. For next week, we will expect the pair to enter a deeper consolidation phase that we expect mid-term to reach the resistance area highlighted on the chart. Moving on to Pound USD. Last week, we correctly forecasted the British pound to remain bearish and make a new low. In the coming week, as the price made a counter-trend move after breaking the low, we expect a correction to follow that will pave the way for a bullish move. For dollar-yen, in our previous outlook, we correctly anticipated the price to make a small correction and break the resistance level. For next week, considering the fact that we sharply reversed after breaking the top, we expect the market to enter a deeper bearish consolidation. Let's hop on to AUSD. In our previous outlook, we correctly forecasted the pair to make the reversal that we mentioned it will do. In the coming days, we expect the pair to slow and steady gain some bullish momentum and reach the resistance level. Let's move on to USDCAD. In our previous forecast, we correctly anticipated that the price will continue its bearish momentum. In the coming days, we expect a correction to occur for more continuation that has a great chance to reach the support. Guys, if you ever want to track our weekly analysis, head over to our TradingView profile in order to stay up to date with the latest market analysis and verify how our forecast is performing for every pair that we are researching. Also, if you're interested in educational materials, follow us on TradingView and stay up to date with the latest technical and fundamental trends. Okay, now let's head back to our charts and see how did gold perform last week. In our previous forecast, we correctly anticipated gold to make another bearish push and break the low inside the correction. After that, the price sharply reversed, reaching the trend line. In the coming week, we are expecting the price to finish consolidating, break out of the trend line, and head towards the resistance. Moving on to silver. In our previous analysis, we correctly forecasted the price to make another low. After that, the price sharply reversed. In the coming days, we are expecting silver to make a small pullback and continue the uptrend, having a great chance to reach the resistance level. Now let's have a look at US oil. Last week, the pair rose and started a consolidation. For next week, we will wait for this pullback to finish and our bias will be that the price will reach at least the $77 level. Moving on to natural gas. In our last analysis report, we correctly anticipated the price to make a new top. In the coming week, we anticipate the price to enter a deeper consolidation phase and, if it breaks the trend line, it has a great chance to retest the support area. Let's head over to copper. In our last week's analysis, we anticipated the pair to consolidate above the orange trend line and head towards the resistance area. Instead, the price corrected deeper than expected, and at the end of the week it finally broke the trend line again, but this time looks like a more solid breakout. In the coming days, we foresee the pair to consolidate around this area and head towards the first resistance level. Now let's head over to the crypto market and start off with Bitcoin. El Salvador's Bitcoin mining efforts are heating up as the Central American nation has successfully mined Bitcoin using the geothermal energy of a volcano. The Central America country's president Nayib Bukele mentioned in a tweet that they are still testing and installing, but this is officially the first Bitcoin mining from the Volca node. The update comes only 3 days after Bukele posted a video of what appears to be a mining center in a remote location, announcing that the country was taking its first steps. In other news, the US Securities and Exchange Commission has pushed back the deadlines for 4 Bitcoin ETF applications to late 2021. They are among at least a dozen outstanding Bitcoin ETF applications on the SEC desk, filed by various high-profile companies. They include applications for the Valkyrie XBTO Bitcoin Futures Fund extended to December 8, the Cryptoin Bitcoin ETF December 24, the Wisdom Tree Bitcoin Trust December 11, and the Global X Bitcoin Trust 21st of November. From a technical perspective, this week Bitcoin broke the orange trend line marked on the chart as we were expecting in the last week's report. We give a high probability for a bullish continuation for the biggest crypto by market capitalization, with or without a pullback that may touch the trend line or the support zone marked on the chart. Let's move on to XRP. Ripple has recently announced the launching of a $250 million creator fund aimed at exploring new use cases for non-fungible tokens on the XRP ledger. The hefty fund will provide financial, technical, and creative support for creators, brands, and marketplaces as the company teamed up with NFT marketplaces Mintable and Mint NFT and brand design agency VSA Partners. XRPL, an open-source decentralized blockchain that supports the tokenization of any asset, including NFTs, operates a built-in decentralized exchange, facilitating fast settlement at low cost with royalties built in. Technically, we think Ripple started an uptrend, but it is still moving inside the range created by the support and resistance area marked on the chart. The higher probability move is to the upside, but we will have to study the price action as the price reaches the resistance to see if it will break from the range or reverse and retest the support area. We would advise caution. On Ethereum. Institutional investors' interest in Ethereum and other Bitcoin alternatives appears to be increasing, with Bitcoin investment products seeing their total asset under management falling 7.8% in September to $35.1 billion, their lowest share this year. According to the September edition of Crypto Compare's Digital Asset Management Review, Ethereum-based products reached their highest market share of assets under management last month. The movements appear to suggest investors are looking to diversify their exposure in the cryptocurrency space. From a technical perspective, Ethereum broke the orange trend line marked on the chart, and we give a higher probability for the price to move to the upside. An area we should be watching for the underlying price structure would be the resistance marked on the chart, as we have to see if the price consolidates above or below, which would indicate a continuation to the upside or reverses to test the support. Moving on to Litecoin. Litecoin, despite being one of the oldest cryptos in the market, has remained relatively hushed in terms of acceptance. However, while Bitcoin and Ethereum dominate the market and headlines, it looks like Litecoin might have the upper hand this time. Litecoin has been seeing inclusion in various projects, all of which have been adopting crypto recently. Verifone, in a partnership with BitBay, recently announced that it will be enabling payments in crypto soon. This feature will include Litecoin, along with a few more exclusive tokens. This will allow 46 million people to connect directly to these cryptocurrencies and further crypto adoption. From a technical perspective, Litecoin started a move to the upside following the other bigger market cap cryptocurrencies. For this week, we see a correction in this area, followed by a move higher, as we are heading for the resistance area marked on the chart. When we reach the resistance area, we have to study the market structure to see if there is a continuation pattern, a deeper pullback, or a retest of the support area. Our coin of the week is Algorand. Algorand was invented to speed up transactions and improve efficiency in response to the slow transaction times of Bitcoin and other blockchains. Algorand is designed so that there are lower transaction fees as well as no mining, as it is based on a permissionless pure proof of stake blockchain protocol. Blockchain platform Algorand has announced on the 29th of September the launch of Algorand Virtual Machine, or AVM, a Layer 1 protocol upgrade designed to enhance decentralized app scalability for developers and organizations, enable instant transaction finality, and sustain a negative carbon output. In addition to these advancements, the AVM will also give developers program tools to write smart contracts in Python or Reach, a format similar to the multi-paradigm web page launch JavaScript. Technically, Algorand is in a correction from the 13th of September that it is preparing the next move to the upside. The higher probability move, in our opinion, is a bullish breakout, although a retest of the support area is not totally out of the books. If the price moves higher, the next area to watch for the market structure is the resistance zone at 2.06 USDT. That should be all for this week, and if you found this video helpful, we will be grateful if you hit that like button below, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. See all of you next Saturday. I wish all of you a profitable trading week, and until then, trade with care and thanks for watching.